Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. This is week 7, day 4 of our study, and this week's topic has been a way of seeing. Our verse today comes from Numbers 22:31. Then the Lord opened Balaam's eyes, and he saw the angel of the Lord standing in the road with his sword drawn. So he bowed low and fell face down. So again, we have another example of someone who didn't see something that was right in front of him until the Lord opened his eyes. And in this case, this really was something in the spiritual realm, not necessarily in the natural realm. But it took the Lord opening Balaam's eyes to be able to see it. Our quote today comes from Barbara Johnson. Even when we've landed with our faces in the dust, even when we are caught in a wringer, we can always have hope. And even when hope is lost, it can be regained. We can refocus our perspective. So, sometimes we get caught up in what life has thrown us. And we have periods of time of sadness and of where we don't think we're going to experience that joy again. But this just kind of says, pick yourself up and move on, refocus, gain your perspective back. You can have it back. Just because you have lost it for a period of time doesn't mean you can't get that back. So our question today, question 7, what is the better thing according to Proverbs 17:1? And question 8, though everything else in life may fail, where is our source of contentment, our source of joy, according to Habakkuk 3:17 through 19? So again, I look forward to reading your responses and hearing what you have to say. So as always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home for a little bit longer, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Blessings to you this day.